Hello, and today we're making mold. No more context. That's enough. Never mind, change of plans. Evolution. This can help us make the mold anyway. There we go, and now we are ready to evolve. This plate has everything a creature needs. It can get a bit chaotic and crowded. This sort of creature just rolling along. It's eaten a bunch of food though. So it's gonna need to either reverse direction or die. There are also these Devorocytes. Yeah, they're slowly eating the top one. Although, now we get some new stuff due to that. Yeah, we're getting explosions of new creatures. That's just how this sort of works. A bunch of creatures die, new ones are born. Then the rest is history. Now, last time I tried this when I was testing this. Oh, we got virals. Anyways, when I was testing this out to make sure it worked, oh my god, we got mitotic propulsion, which is basically, you can see that here. We got it naturally too. Unfortunately, it's from dragon size, so they will probably die. But we got the first truly improved creatures, so maybe not. You can tell who they are by the fact that them look sort of blurry. So yeah, that's cool, I guess. They don't move if they don't have enough energy. So you can surely make a one-cell creature that does everything. Unfortunately, sometimes they may be threatened by other creatures. But because they move and others don't, they're perfectly fine. When they have enough energy, they can even produce offspring. And when they have enough energy, despite their split ratio, they can produce which can, go and do stuff. Now these white phagocytes could potentially extinct them. Oh my god, we got the first moving creatures. The creature got lucky and decided to move with a bit more in an efficient method. Still up here we have the red photocytes. They're probably never going to go extinct for a long time. This will also probably make this have multiple parts. So, get to see the evolution over a long time. Oh goody, it's only been 5 minutes and all of this is already happened. The thing is, I'll probably have a lot to narrate. As you can see, we have these swimmers. They swim. What else would you ever want? It seems like we're getting close to extincting the red photocytes. There are only a few of them left alive. They're getting pushed around by the swimmers. That could both kill them and also make sure that they stay alive. There are also these white devorocytes. So, yeah, there's that. Anyways, there's one left. And I think officially all the red photocytes are dead. They just simply got outcompeted. And once these swimmers somehow have those red photocyte genes, by the time that would actually come back out into play, yeah, those genes are probably going to be mutated away because they do nothing. Evolution doesn't really care what happens to them. So you can see we have some pretty efficient swimmers here. I mean, I'm not saying that other photocytes, maybe even other red ones, would evolve. I'm just saying that the originals are pretty much extinct. Now these swimmers do still have those genes in them, so occasionally you will see them come back for like a second or two. But they're gonna be attached to swimmers that are gonna move away from the light. So we're gonna have some luck to get those things to resurrect. Like truly. Also these white Devoros. They're more tannish, but they're mostly white. Yeah, very cool, honestly. It seems there is a wider variety of the Devorocytes came into existence for a second there, and then it quickly died. Our Devorocytes are doing surprisingly poorly. Now, I did change from the idea of making mold. Still. This kid works pretty well. I don't think we're gonna get anything else pretty interesting for like a time. Oh shoot, it's only been 2 minutes since I checked last time. I wish I hadn't eaten all my Kool-Aid bursts. I wish I had one right now. I do have some more Kool-Aid that I could eat, but it's not the same. It's not even the same brand. It's Great Value, which is actually pretty good. I have a bag full of cherry Kool-Aid. Right now I only have the Great Value and Skittles ones. I use the Skittles ones more often, but the Great Value ones are really good too. So yeah. Oop. Because of wind, it's very interesting. Oops. I don't have too many big creatures to do stuff on. Well, I have been developing some. Like, I have made some. Like, for example, Black Star. It's black because originally I was gonna have it hunt other creatures. I just decided against it. So now, yeah, we get. So now it just eats normally. It does move around differently than my other starfish. Like for example, the Star Star, Sunstar, and regular starfish. It's also bigger than a regular starfish, so you can actually fit stuff inside it. It's also immune to things that could harm it, like for example, Fire Bee, which if it was colored, it would attack it, because that's how sensors are made. Anyways, I think we'll go on for just a bit longer. Anyways, you can see survival and thriving in the middle. I also have this. I really like making infections. They're really fun to do. The ones I make, they just latch on to creatures and grow and take them over. This one's called Slide On because originally it was meant for a sliding plate. But yeah. And these two main traits that this thing has that it. Okay, two main things that this thing does is first, it eats most of a creature, but it can choose to keep some cells around. Like for example, some photocytes to actually stay alive. Shoot, that's on time. And sometimes it also makes cells really tiny. Sometimes it doesn't, sometimes it does. It just seems to happen at random. Anyways, I just had the starfish bump into it somehow. See? And you can see, and Slidon has a high nutrient quality, so it sucks the nutrients out of any creature that it infects. Okay, I'm tired of having to constantly check that stuff. Ending the video now. This is part 1 of something. I'll decide later.